we officially have an update. The virus on the cruise ship just got confirmed to be the one strain that can spread person to person. And a passenger who left the ship early just tested positive in Switzerland. So the virus on that cruise ship is now officially confirmed to be the Andes strain of hantavirus, which is the only strain in history that has ever been able to spread between humans. And a passenger who got off the ship at a stop before anybody even knew about the outbreak just showed up to a hospital in Switzerland and tested positive. His wife is now in self-isolation, and they are now tracing back every single person that this guy may have been in contact with. 3 more people were just airlifted off the ship today and are now being transferred to hospitals across Europe. The total number of cases is now officially at 8, and 149 people are still on board and have nowhere to go. In my update yesterday, Spain actually just told the Canary Islands to take the ship in, but the president of the Canary Islands just went public and said absolutely not, we do not know